Hello guys, review tablet Lenovo Tab M7 3rd generation. Okay, look completion. In completion we have protected film and P for SIM slot, adapter for charging and micro USB cable. That's all completion. And protected back cover, of course. Okay, now talk about device. Device made of metal and plastic. On the back side camera, on the front side 7-inch display. Upside power key and volume keys. On this side headphones jack, micro USB port, speaker, microphone, and speaker we have this. Okay, we have device display 7-inch HD resolution IPS matrix, open Geekbench 5, okay, we have CPU MediaTek MT8766, octa-core processor, 2 GHz CPU speed. Look results. Single core score and multi-core score results. Okay, close this and look under the benchmark results. Okay, under the benchmark results. Close this and start the money game with San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Resume game. And game works good. Okay, close this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.